Hello everybody, today we have beautiful gaming laptop, Lenovo Legion Y740. It's a 15-inch laptop, 15 IRHG series. It's an Intel Core i7 9th gen with beautiful graphics, NVidia GeForce RTX 2070 and beautiful screen, 144 Hz refresh rate. Let's take it apart, let's see what we can fix, replace or upgrade. Start with bottom screws. So now we have to separate the bottom case from the Palmrest. So find a gap where you can put your tool in. Oh, now the bottom is coming off. Oh, now the bottom is off. Look for the part number on those white stickers. Now we can access all the internal components. So start with disconnecting the battery, pull out the connector, and now we can take it out. So if the battery is swollen or doesn't hold the charge, you can replace it. Alright, so one screw is hidden under that storage, so let's take out our storage. So if your laptop doesn't boot and tells you there is no boot device, or you would like to upgrade storage to the bigger one, this is how you can do it. So unscrew the screw on the top. Now we can pull out the drive. That's the NVMe SSD drive. And now we can take out the last screw for the battery. Alright, so that's our battery. Here we have the model number. Alright, here that's the hard drive. So that's our second storage for your data. So you can replace it if it doesn't work, or you could upgrade it to the bigger one. So unscrew the screws and disconnect from the motherboard. Now we can pull out. So the actual hard drive that's inside, this is the caddy that holds the hard drive. So to take it out, you have to unscrew the screws on the side. So that is the caddy. That's our SATA connector, and that's the actual hard drive. Alright, now let's check under this cover. Alright, so that's our RAM memory. So to take it out, spread those arms, and now you can take out the memory. So if it doesn't work, you can replace it or you can upgrade it to the bigger one. And to install it back, just press it in and it's installed. Alright, now let's take out our speakers. So if the sound is bad, you can replace your speakers. There is no screws, just unplug it from the motherboard. And the part numbers are on the stickers. Here, that's our Wi-Fi card. So if Wi-Fi doesn't work, you can replace this card. So gently disconnect the antenna wires. And now we can take out the screw. And pull out the Wi-Fi card. Here on the top you should have the model number. Alright, now let's take out, that's our heatsink and the cooling fans. So if your laptop overheats, you would like to add cooling paste between the fan and the heatsink. Or if the fans don't spin or they make grinding noise, this is when you would like to replace them. So unscrew all the screws. Let's check if there are no more screws. Okay, maybe not. So now let's continue with fan. Oh, there are no screws for the fan, so let's unplug it from the motherboard. Okay, maybe let's first take out the heatsink. It will be easier to catch the cable. Alright, now we can disconnect it. That's our Wi-Fi antenna. Alright, so that's the heatsink fan assembly. Here we have the part number. Here we can see our processor and the graphics, they both soldered on the motherboard. So if this doesn't work, you have to replace the whole motherboard. Here on that side, that's our I/O board with our USB port. So if this port doesn't work, you can replace this board. Unplug it from the motherboard. I always close those clips. If you leave them open, you can break it later. That's our I/O board. Here we have the part number. So now let's continue with taking out the motherboard. So unplug all the remaining cables like keyboard, touchpad. I will keep the CMOS battery with the motherboard. Now unscrew all the remaining screws. And now we can take out the motherboard. Oh, we forgot the video cable. We have to unplug it. Flip this retaining clip. And now we can pull it out. There are two more cables connected on the opposite side. Alright, so let's close those clips. So that's our motherboard. And here we have the part number. Now we want to disconnect our screen assembly. Let's see where are the screws for the hinges. Alright, so we have to take off this hinge cover on the back. And it's held by adhesive, and clips. So you have to wiggle this plastic to disconnect the clips. The clips are on both edges. Alright, so that's our hinge cover. Now take out all the screws. So take out the screws on the opposite side. This cable is glued to the Palmrest, so make sure you don't take it off. Alright, so this is how you can disconnect the screen assembly. So that's our Palmrest keyboard touchpad assembly. Let's see if we can replace just the touchpad. Okay, looks like you cannot replace the touchpad. It is glued to this part, so you could replace only the touchpad buttons if they don't work, but otherwise you have to buy the whole Palmrest keyboard touchpad assembly. Check gotlaptopparts.com. And now let's see how we can take out the LCD. Looks like the whole screen is glued with adhesive, so if I take it apart, I won't be able to put it back together. So if you can, look for the whole screen assembly on eBay or gotlaptopparts.com. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.